Hello, welcome to back my channel Future Wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the latest iteration of this iconic SUV. From its stunning exterior to its tech-filled interior and powerhouse performance, we've got everything you need to know. So, buckle up, and let's go. Exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Range Rover commands attention with its bold yet refined design. The latest model keeps the signature minimalist approach but introduces sharper lines and a more aerodynamic silhouette. The front fascia features a newly designed grille with an illuminated Land Rover emblem, flanked by ultra-slim digital LED headlights that provide enhanced visibility and an unmistakable presence on the road. Range Rover's signature flush door handles are now equipped with improved smart access technology. And let's talk about those wheels. 22-inch diamond-cut alloys come as standard, with an optional 24-inch upgrade for an even bolder stance. At the rear, the 2025 model boasts sleek, hidden taillights that illuminate only when needed, maintaining the brand's signature elegant look. And with the gesture-controlled tailgate, loading and unloading have never been easier. Interior. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by opulence. The 2025 Range Rover continues to set the benchmark for luxury SUVs, offering the finest materials, cutting-edge technology, and supreme comfort. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 15.1-inch curved infotainment display, powered by the latest PIVI Pro system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even AI-powered voice controls. Behind the wheel, a 12.3-inch digital driver's display provides real-time navigation, speed, and vehicle diagnostics. Plus, the redesigned steering wheel now features haptic touch controls for a seamless user experience. In the back, passengers are treated to first-class luxury. The executive-class rear seating package includes reclining leather seats, individual climate zones, and even a built-in champagne cooler for the ultimate VIP experience. Narrator. And let's not forget the panoramic sunroof and customizable ambient lighting, because every drive should feel like an experience, not just a journey. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover offers a range of powerful engine options, including a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 producing a breathtaking 615 horsepower. If sustainability is your priority, the plug-in hybrid variant delivers an impressive 75 miles of pure electric range. But luxury isn't just about comfort, it's about capability too. With Terrain Response 3.0, adaptive air suspension, and all-wheel steering, the Range Rover is built to conquer any terrain, whether it's mud, snow, or sand. Narrator. Safety is top-notch with features like adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous parking assist. It's like having a co-pilot that ensures every ride is smooth and secure. The 2025 Range Rover is more than just an SUV, it's a statement of luxury, performance, and innovation. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling rugged landscapes, this vehicle is designed to deliver excellence at every turn. So, what do you think about the 2025 Range Rover? Is this your dream SUV? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Wheels for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay futuristic. Thanks for using my channel Future Wheels. Please like, share, and subscribe.